Hello everyone, welcome back again to Debzies Delight. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always being here. I appreciate the support. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make the amazing and tastiest peppered gizzard. So aromatic and flavorful. This can be your finger foods for your parties, for family get-togethers. It can pair so well with your kinky, with your fried yams. So if you want to see how, please join me and let's do this together.
I'll begin by going through the list of ingredients. I've got some turkey gizzard, hence large in size. You can use chicken gizzard as well. I've also got some chopped yellow, red and green bell peppers, some shrimp seasoning, some chopped onions. In here is some rosemary and bay leaves, some all-purpose seasoning, white and black pepper powder, and my garlic, ginger and onion paste. I'll first begin by chopping my gizzard into my preferred size. If you're using chicken gizzard, you do not have to cut it, okay? Once chopping is done, I'll wash it thoroughly with some warm water and transfer it to my pot and add all the seasonings with the garlic, ginger and onion paste I've just listed for you. Today's shout out goes to Barima Kunto, aka Londoner Captain Abojise, watching from Cambridge. Thank you so much for loving the recipes. Please let me know where you're watching from so I can give you a shout. Now I'll add enough water as the turkey gizzard is on the harder side, and so you need enough water to tenderize it, okay? Once it comes to a boil, stir it very well so that everything is beautifully combined. Please note that I added some salt to the ingredients to taste, okay? It's been about 20 minutes to 30 minutes of cooking time, and my turkey gizzard has cooked beautifully and well tenderized. Now to begin the real deal, into my pan I'll add some sunflower oil. Once it heats up beautifully, I'll transfer all my boiled turkey gizzard and fry it until it is nice and golden. You want it to fry a little bit, you don't want to fry it until it's dry, okay? So once it fries and it's still juicy on the inside, please stop frying it further, okay? You don't want it to be dry. I'll push it to one side and then toss in my chopped onions and my green, red and yellow bell pepper. Season it with a little bit of my all-purpose seasoning and stir fry it on one side for about 30 to 1 minute. 30 seconds, okay, to 1 minute. Once it fries beautifully and is still nice and crunchy, I'll stir fry it with the gizzard and make sure that everything is beautifully combined. Now, to get to a spiciness, I will add some of my green chili sauce. If you haven't seen the recipe, I have left the link in my description box or comment section. Please check it out and you'll find the recipe there. So delicious and adds so much kick and flavor to the gizzard, okay? Once I've added it, I'll stir fry it for another 2 to 4 minutes and your spicy gizzard will be ready. So simple to do, absolutely delicious. Pairs so well with some fried yam, some kinky. You can pair it with some rice and even some eba. And today, as part of the video, I have a surprise for you, which is taste test.
Taste test. Let's look at that array. So beautiful. It's been a while we did this. Let me just dig in. It looks so inviting. So good. Very peppery, yet delicious. The savoriness, the well and carefully selected seasonings. Definitely worth trying. Thank you you so much for watching. If you like this one, why don't you be kind to like, comment and share so others will know of this beautiful recipe as well. Until I see you in the next one, remember that I love you all, but God loves you the most.